How to export your Figma prototype to video. So other than recording it on OBS, as I'm recording this video right now, there's actually a specific plugin that you can use. So simply head over to Community here, and then go to Extensions, and then Plugins. Then let's search the community, just type in GIF. And here the second one, it says export the GIF/video. So simply click that, and then tap try in. So let's run. Let's click activate with Figma, allow access. There it is, it's successful. Let's go with the playground file that they made for us. So as you can see, that's the video that it created. This is the first one, so the multiple shades one. Let's do this, export to video. Let's go advanced 2. And here it is. So this is the walking animation. So the walking animation is right here, as you can see. Now the way that you would save this is simply just click this button that says Start Export. And here we can see that the Pro plan is required to export above 512 pixels resolution. And it costs $17 a month. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.